Hoi!
Fortunate questions.
Hey everybody, it's the Chopstick Guys, and it is time for Fortunate Questions. It is that time where we answer questions from you that we have baked into a fortune cookie. Mark, I want you to select out the fortune cookie for today. And what? Oh, nice grab.
Ooh, look at
That's
that
a perfect
right there.
grab.
So I'm going to give
All
you
right,
that one.
thank you.
Randomly selected.
And what do we have? So today's fortune, question says, you know what it says? It says I am getting fortune cookie crumbs all over my computer, but that's okay.
That's okay.
All right. So here we go. What is an AF assist lamp, and why do I want one?
Okay.
Why do you want one? Why
Yeah.
do you want one?
You know, my camera's got the AF assist lamp built
Yes,
into it. I'm wondering if that's a Canon user. There's a lot of Canon models that didn't come with it, but what is it?
Wait. So some of the Canons didn't have it.
They didn't have it. I'm not so sure if the new ones have it or not. It's something we think we need to look into. But here's what it is. It's a little lamp. A lot of times they were red because they were using like that little infrared type beams. But now a lot of them are using that white LED type light. It's just a light that goes out about 10 feet that illuminates a subject so you can grab a focus.
Okay.
You ever try to focus in dark?
Yes.
Yeah.
But I'm a Nikon shooter, so I can do that.
That's right.
But no, it's one of those things that I know, in those dark situations, often if your camera is not able to focus, it really does help.
Yeah.
But is yours on?
No, mine's
Okay.
turned off. I don't use it. I used to use it quite a bit. I do have it turned on my speed light. Rarely do I use my speed light, but when I do, it's on. It has it built into, and it throws this little cross grid, so it can grab a focus.
Okay. So, I know that for Nikon, like a lot of their pro bodies, from the D3 on up, they don't have that because they've got that great 3D Matrix focus system that works fantastic. But it does help. When you ask that question, and by I forgot to say Dave from Fresno. Dave was the one who sent out this question, so thank you, Dave. But I don't know if. Do you want one?
You know what? I think they're excellent to have if you're doing anything other than shooting out in public, like an event.
Yep.
That's going to draw attention to the camera because you're there to cover an event, not to be part of the event.
Don't use it as a wedding,
Yeah.
right? So every time you're shooting the bride, there is a blinding,
I've seen that happen,
blinding
too.
bright light.
Where you every time, and then everybody in the wedding audience goes, "Ooh," looks at the
looks right
photographer.
at you.
What's he doing over there?
Yeah.
So, and that's the reason I turn them off because I shoot mostly people and in some sort of public setting.
Yep.
So turn it off. But
I would recommend turning it off. I mean, today's cameras focus so incredibly well that you really don't need that AF assist lamp.
Yeah.
You really don't.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're shooting in pitch black, maybe so. But
you might be using older equipment and you're not ready to upgrade yet. So I know like Yongnuo, they actually make an auto focus lamp that goes on your hot shoe.
Really?
So a lot of Canon users were buying that. I do a lot of people that were buying that and putting it on there. So it was just one other way of doing things.
Dave.
Great question, Dave.
Love it. So, hey, anytime you have a question, just go ahead and you can either write to us or just put it in the comments below. We'd be happy to answer your question. In fact, if we do answer it on the air, we have something special for you.
That's right.
That's right. So, anyways, thanks, Dave. Great question. We hope to get more questions. That's how we're answering them every week and every time we do this for Fortunate Questions.
That's right. Like always, we ask you like and subscribe. And don't forget, say sushi.
Say sushi.